This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's Sunday, and yeah. _20th of October. Anyway, our little pigeons are waiting here. We got some crows waiting here. Looks like someone threw something on the field over there. The crows were eating. And the seagulls were flying around our apartment building looking for me. It's about 9:30. So we'll throw this down first for the pigeons. Okay. Throw this down for the pigeons. And then we'll go to the field. All right. And we have an extra bag of sunflower seeds for the, there are a lot of pigeons out today. We have to be careful. The clever fit people are all out here today. Going to their gym. Okay, let's get to the big stuff. Then I'll throw something out for our little crows. Listen to that. Listen to that. We have a number of silver gulls here today. I haven't seen them all week. So, whoa, this bag, look at that, drag is full. It's really full. Oh, pretty good sized bag, but we need it. We need it with all these birds, don't we? Let's take the low road. I think the farmer collected the grass. I don't see it on the field. It's a high level fog, which is typical this time of year. Okay, I had some nice noodles cooked up, but I wasn't able to get the chicken done. Noodles done in time. Chicken's still cooking, and for now the little critters. And the birds get the noodles. Okay. Oh wow. Let's get this all done here. Let's try to spread it out as much as we can. There we go. Brought quite a few nuts today. Yeah, that's Seymour. Seymour, get your eggs, honey. Uh-oh. Let's go get our nuts out there. Then we'll go feed the sparrows. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, they don't like this person here, do they? Don't like this person. No, it has to be this girl. Somehow I don't like her very much. Wow, they polished off all those seeds. That is amazing. Something there they did not like. Okay. Let's get out here. Hi, babies. Someone they saw, something they don't like. Let's see.
You want to poke it open?
Yeah, no. I have my trusty
knife, right?
knife. This is the file on here, but it doesn't matter. Just leave it like that. Put our peanuts out. We got 2 bags of these peanuts. People watching here. For whatever reason. There we go. There we go. Put some cashews out. Look at that. There we go. Let's go to the parking lot. We throw a couple cashews down there as well. Looks like all the hazelnuts are just about over. And they keep gathering them up all the time. It's just terrible. Wonder what that car's doing there. He didn't pull up in a way that they're watching. Maybe he came to watch the birds, or to make video and complain. I have no idea. There's nothing I can do about it. It's the way it is here. Okay? Yeah, there you go. You had to beat this horn. The other car is now gone. Don't know where it went. Little black-headed gulls. So cute. Right? There we go. Okay. Let's throw down the rest of our peanuts in the shell. We have to do those. There's hatefully people here. I'd like to know what they're doing there. On a Sunday. There's that silver car that was watching. They're gone now. There they are. Well, they can do all they want. Not going to change anything. Crusader's been battered, tortured, you name it. And I have not been swayed by these people. I don't see the sick crow anymore. Missing for days. He's afraid to say he's probably gone. I venture to say, in as soon as 5 years, most of these crows will be gone. Certainly around this area, they'll all be exterminated. All their nests are taken out, like Charlie's nest. Every crow's nest I've seen in the area has been taken out. So they can't reproduce, and over time, they will just die out. If not from the poisoning, mostly from starvation. Right? So.
Oh, sorry, quick close it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm making a video.
Okay.
Yeah. Brian sometimes doesn't remember I'm making a video, so he starts doing things. I can't stop.